Hi, welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa, and here in Simple or Not Kitchen, we take some of those online cooking videos and we put them to the test and let you know if they're simple to follow or not. And today we are taking these avocados and we are going to stuff them with chicken salad and turn them into stuffed avocados. These are so simple and so delicious and so easy to make. And to make this, we're going to need 2 avocados, about 3 cups of cooked and shredded chicken, and we're also going to use about 1/2 cup of our favorite salsa, and about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. You could also use a mayonnaise substitute. And then we're also going to need about 1/2 of a freshly cut lemon. And because we're using a pre-cooked chicken, there is no cooking to this recipe whatsoever. We're going to start by just simply slicing our avocados down the center, popping them open, and then taking out the pit that's in the center. And that just pops right out. And then we're going to place them to the side. And then we're going to take our lemon and just squirt our avocados just a little bit. We don't want them turning brown on us, especially if we're not going to be eating them right away. And then it's time to mix our chicken salad. In go 3 cups of a pre-cooked chicken that's been seasoned with a southwestern flavor. It's pre-cooked and shredded. We are adding about 1/2 cup of our favorite salsa. You can use a chunky salsa or a smooth salsa. We're using a smooth salsa. And then we're going to add in about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. You could also, if you prefer, add some diced onions or some celery would also be good in here. Anything that you like to add to your chicken salad. You could actually also use tuna instead of chicken. And we're going to take a little bit of the avocado from each half of the avocado, not a whole lot. We want to create a slightly bigger cavity to hold more of our chicken salad, and that avocado will actually be really good in our chicken salad. So we're going to take just a little bit from each half of the avocado, and we're going to slip it right into our chicken salad and then stir it back up. When we're ready to serve our stuffed avocados, we're going to take a nice generous spoonful of that chicken salad and put it right into the cavity of the avocado. And that's all it takes. It's that simple. This recipe is such a fun and healthy alternative to the classic chicken salad sandwich, and it's really delicious. Thank you so much for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how it turned out. And for more recipes, videos, and articles, go online to PinalCentral.com.